This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door lock cylinder. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a measuring tape, and of course, your brand new replacement lock cylinder. It's crucial to ensure your new cylinder matches the existing lock's type and size, perhaps measuring its length from the center of the retaining screw hole to each end. Understanding these basic components will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's move on to removing the old cylinder. Begin by locating the retaining screw on the side of your door, typically found on the door's edge, directly in line with the cylinder. Use your screwdriver to completely remove the single screw. Next, insert your key into the old cylinder and turn it slightly, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to align the cam. With the cam aligned, gently pull the cylinder straight out from the door. Remember, no force should be needed here. With the old cylinder out, it's time to install your new one. Take your new cylinder and insert its corresponding key, turning it slightly to align the cam, just as you did with the old one. Carefully slide the new cylinder into the door, ensuring it sits perfectly flush with both the inside and outside edges of the door. Once it's in place, reinsert the retaining screw you removed earlier. Tighten this screw firmly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the lock mechanism or the door itself. Finally, it's time for the crucial testing phase. Insert the key into your newly installed cylinder and test it thoroughly from both the inside and outside of the door. Make sure the key turns smoothly, without any sticking or resistance, and that the latch operates freely. Confirm that the door locks and unlocks securely, providing you with peace of mind and enhanced security. Double-check for any loose components and tighten them as needed for optimal, long-lasting performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.